If you're serious about buying a home, the experts at richmondcustomhomes.com can help guide you. Your offer was accepted. Now what? This is where the real process begins. First, you'll submit your formal mortgage application, and your lender will start the underwriting process. Next comes the home inspection, where professionals check the property for any issues or repairs needed. At the same time, the lender orders a home appraisal to confirm the property's value matches the purchase price. You'll also work on securing homeowners insurance and finalizing all required documents. During this period, it's important to avoid major financial changes, like taking new loans or making large purchases. If everything checks out, you'll move to closing day, sign the paperwork, and officially become a homeowner. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.